Hi everyone, welcome back to another market update with Suma Sridhar related to Santa Clara County, California. Today, we will be diving into the latest market trends and statistics for the month of October 2023. Whether you are a buyer or seller, this information will help you to make the informed decisions in this dynamic real estate market. So let us get started. First of all, we have some exciting numbers to share with you. Currently, we have 1.28 months supply of inventory in Santa Clara County. That means if no new listings were added, it would take just over a month to sell all the available properties. This indicates a highly competitive market, especially for buyers. Now, let us take a look at the trend over the past year. The monthly supply of inventory has decreased by 5.19% compared to the previous 12 months. This decline suggests a tightening market, indicating increased demand and potentially rising prices. Sellers can take advantage of this trend as it means there are fewer homes available for buyers to choose from. Moving on, let us talk about list to sold price percentage. In our current market, the list to sold price ratio is an impressive 104.2%. This means that on average, homes are selling for 4.2% above their listing price. This strategic highlights the competitiveness of the market where buyers are willing to pay a premium to secure their dream home. Another important metric to consider is the median days on the market. In Santa Clara County, homes have been selling at a rapid pace with a median of just 9 days on the market. This indicates a strong demand and a need for buyers to act quickly when they find a property they love. Sellers can take advantage of this by ensuring their homes are priced competitively and well prepared for showings. Finally, let us talk about the median sold price. In October 2023, the median sold price in Santa Clara County stood at 1.550 million. This represents the midpoint of all the homes sold during this period. It is important to note that the median sold price can vary depending on the location, size, and condition of the property. However, it gives us a general idea of the market's overall price range. So, there you have it. A snapshot of the Santa Clara County real estate market for October 2023. Whether you are a buyer or a seller, these statistics can guide your decision-making process. As always, if you have any questions or need assistance with buying or selling a home in our beautiful Santa Clara County, don't hesitate to reach out to me or my team at SVK Real Estate and Associates. We are here to help. Thank you for watching and I will see you in the next market update. Until then, take care and happy house hunting.